Hello guys, today we are talking about an security application. Spike is a monitoring and spying application built to spy on the target device, text messages, social media texting, and whom he is calling. Most of the time, you are concerned about your spouse, your children, security, and nowadays in the market it is hard to find the security, but Spike is an application that stream you the real-time data of that smartphone you are monitoring, the smartphone of your children, what to whom you are calling, what they are doing on the social media, and what they are doing in an online world. This application previews SMS, text, call, same as you are previewing it on your smartphone. More precisely, it is a highly secure and real-time monitoring of a user smartphone communication. This is easy to use and top-of-the-line monitoring tool, which will help you see your monitor device users' WhatsApp messages, SMS messages, social media conversation, and hint of all of these.
Okay, now we move to the website for how to activate this software. First of all, you have to create a new account. You have to sign up the account. It has a 1 month free trial. Uh, Let me activate my own account. You have to give the email address and password and sign up for free. I have saved the account. Now let me log in with my new account ID. Here you have to select the device details, the teenager whom you are uh, referring. First example, I am going to monitor my own device. I am informed. I am giving information about my teens. I am selecting an Android device whom I am going to monitor. And let's proceed with it. It has two options here, Android and iOS. So let me select this. Okay. Now what you have to do is that you have to go to the VIP Tracker Pro to download and install the application. Uh, it will install an APK on my mobile phone. Uh, we are now installing the application on mobile phone, and here you can see that it is installing on my phone. After installation, uh, the name of the application is showing, and it is showing that it can be either hidden or not. Simply in the application you have to enter the email and it is processing the other information. For as long as the user is entering the data, it will be updated in real time. uh, I am processing the different type of the data, and it will be shown here. Showing the messages. Okay, here you can see that all of the photos on that device are showing here. You can zoom it and also download these photos. Well, it is all the photos and videos that are available on that device. You can zoom it and check it in high resolution. Also, you can check the location. The real-time tracking is one of the best feature of this Spike application. If he is using some social media, that device activity will also be shown here, like the Facebook, Instagram, Tinder. It is also showing the SIM card history of that mobile phone. Either he is using the one or two SIM, and its IMEI number and network of the SIM card will be shown here. And it also preview the video that are available on that device. For example, we have this video available on that device, so you can check that what type of the videos are available on that device. Also the keylogger is actually one of the best feature of this device. You can see that what he's typing on his mobile phone. Similar to the keylogger, uh, also it will show the billing information of that software. You can see that it is showing me all of the contacts that are available on that device in the real time, similarly as it's showing in my mobile phone. All of my contacts are shown here. It is also showing my calendar history on the mobile phone. So all the calendar events that I have saved are shown here in my tracking application. It is also showing my accounts detail and photos and account setting. Now let's talk about the FAQs and customer support. There is a lot of the questions that you can see on their website about how to use the Spike as a runtime, for example, and other questions that you have in the mind. Either you can ask from their customer support, or you can check the FAQs like this one. It is very detailed FAQs where everything is mentioned, and you can check all about the Spike web dashboard and monitoring application. Also, there are the pricing plans. You can see that we have three pricing plans here: basic, premium, and family plan. Uh, like in the family plan, you can see that, yeah, okay. If you want to purchase it after the 1 month of trial, you have to pay by the credit card, and it is also discount available on the purchase. It is showing the total price of it. If you buy the 12-month plan, it is a highly discount in the premium, and the family, you can see that it has a lot of the features: call logs, text messages, location history, contact detail, app list, keylogger, social media. Uh, it will give you a lot of the detail about that smartphone actually. So basically, Spike is one of the best monitoring spy application that you can install on that user smartphone, and it will give you a very uh, good glimpse of what your spouse or your children is doing on their smartphone, and you can really monitor them in the real time.
For the Android solution, another added advantage is that even if you feel like your user will detect you, you can remotely install this application with a simple panel click. Uh, if we talk about the Spike application background, it has a 24 by 7 customer support. For any of your help, you can contact the customer support given on this web page, or check for the FAQs, commonly asked question, and other given data on their web dashboard. Now we talk about the iOS features of this device. First of all, you do not need to jailbreak your iOS device due to its cutting-edge technology, and it can be installed on any older or latest iOS version of the devices. You do not need to install any other apps to hide it. It is very simple, and it has a stealth mode with which you can hide it on your iOS device. Uh, Spice is a foolproof application that can be detected as Spice is a foolproof application that cannot be detected as such. Parents can view the data remotely from any browser and any device of their children device. It allows remote tracking. With the Spikes, you can track the iPhone's exact location. You will be able to see the current location, the map, time spent, and the address. Spike also keep track of the previous locations. If your target user is an iPhone user, you have an added advantage. One does not need to manually install Spike for iOS devices. All you have to do is the iCloud credentials to get started for it. Also, any of you guys who will register through this link will get up to 80% referral discount with the Spike code SPIKE20, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Okay, one of the common questions that you will ask is, can the user detect you? No. Spike is being used in over 191 countries and has emerged as a market leader over the years. Spike is the result of hardworking of passionate engineers built using cutting-edge technology. Spike is a reliable and trustworthy application. It is entirely web-based and impossible to detect. It runs in stealth mode, which means you can check your spouse messages without knowing him. So thanks for the video, like and subscribe it. Please like and share this video. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, please subscribe for our channel for more useful upcoming tutorials. First we will talk about its features. If we talk about the feature, it is available both for the Android and iOS Apple devices. For the Android, it has a lot of the features. First of all, it does not require to root your device because of its cutting edge technology, As compared to other Android applications that require rooting of your devices, you do not need to root your target Android device, and simply you have to install and hide the application. Secondly, you do not need to install any other application to hide it. Spyic has a stealth mod feature with which you can hide it, and user will not know about what is the application setting icon that is showing in its setting option or in its application. Talking about its storage device, it is very light application of only 3 MB size, and also it does not drain your battery. The target user will never find it, though no matter how fast or geeky she is. A next amazing feature that you will find in the Spyic is keylogger feature. In the real time, you can see what the user is typing and punching the keys on his mobile phone. You can also check the target user's social media applications and its activity. If we talk about its web portal, it is simple to use, elegant user interface, and although it has a web-based dashboard. Spyic Web Access is available from any of the browser that you are using on your mobile phone, tablet, or PC, either it is Mozilla or Chrome or any other browser.